peppers, onions. Oh, oh, mmm, 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 mmm. Oh, so good. So good. So good. Let's keep it 100%. Our bodies and our minds need calm, not chaos, okay? So we're making a 10-minute curry cauliflower bowl that treats your body right with grown folk flavor that keeps inflammation at bay. So let's get into the ingredients. Cauliflower, tender, slightly nutty, super satisfying. Fiber for steady energy and fullness. Vitamin C to support immunity and healthy skin. Smoked paprika, smoky and a little sweet. Antioxidants that help protect your cells and support eye and skin health. Red onions, juicy, sweet, savory that wakes everything up. Fiber for a happy gut and antioxidants that support heart and immune health. Cilantro gives this dish a fresh, citrusy lift. It gives your body digestive support and antioxidants to help protect your cells. Thyme comes in with a warm, woodsy, herby depth, natural oils with germ-fighting properties, and antioxidants for overall wellness. Curry brings those fragrant notes and golden warmth that ties the whole bowl together. It helps calm inflammation and supports easy digestion. Red and green peppers offer a crisp, sweet crunch, vitamin C for immunity, and collagen to keep your skin looking so fresh and so clean. Sea salt is a flavor amplifier with trace minerals and a touch of electrolytes, just a pinch to wake up the spices. Jalapenos are for grown folk who can stand the heat. I practice hot yoga, so I pack these peppers in to make my mouth sing with each bite. Jalapenos can boost circulation and helps clear your head. Garlic brings that savory, toasty depth. It supports heart health, and it has natural compounds that help your body fight germs. Grape tomatoes layer in bright, juicy bursts of sweetness to balance the jalapenos. These tomatoes have nutrients that help protect your cells and keep your mind on point. Slices of avocado take this dish to the next level. It brings creamy and silky richness to every bite with good fats that keep your brain firing and your nerves steady. Lemon and olive oil come with the healthy fats and brightness to calm inflammation and support digestion. A quick sidebar, stay with me until the end of the video. I'm pulling out all the receipts so you can see what it costs to make this delicious bowl that keeps you focused, energized, and feeling good. We make this bowl in 6 simple moves. Either by hand or in a food processor, mince the cauliflower. Then in a large bowl, whisk olive oil, lemon juice, curry powder, smoked paprika, thyme, the minced garlic, and a pinch of sea salt. Then we're going to fold in the cauliflower rice until every single piece is coated. Top with peppers, tomatoes, red onions, jalapeno, and cilantro. If you have a good avocado, nestle in those avocado slices
like the star they are. Lastly, just taste and adjust the lemon and salt and other spices as you like, and then voila, you're done.
All right, I think this is gonna be it. This is gonna be it right there. Let's do this. Let's do this right now. Let's get a taste with this avocado in it. Oh Lord. Mm-hmm. 100%. 100%. It's amazing. So good. They got the crunch from the red and green peppers, the onions. You got the softness, the creaminess of the avocado. You got the spiciness from the jalapeno. You got the flavor from the curry and the smoked paprika. You got the freshness from the thyme. The salt is bringing it all together. The lemon juice, ooh, it just heightens it up to another level. And the olive oil just kind of makes it all kind of combine together very nicely. So this dish is so good. I'm hot, it is so good. But we're gonna take one more bite. So good, so good.
All right, good folks, it's time to add up the receipts. Let me show you what this curry cauli bowl costs using the prices I paid. First, let's look at the price per unit, what each ingredient costs and the size the store sells. For the bulk spices, I didn't buy a full pound. I'm just showing the price per pound so we're all working from the same baseline. Cauliflower, $1.49 a pound. Avocados, I got 4 for $5. Red bell pepper, $3.69 a pound. Green bell peppers, $1.99 a pound. Extra virgin olive oil, $12.49 for 33.8 fluid ounces. Curry powder, $22.99 a pound. Smoked paprika, $1.67 per ounce. Garlic, $6.99 a pound. Lemons, $5.99 for 2 pounds. Red onions, $1.99 a pound. Cilantro, $1.59 for a bunch. Jalapenos, I spent $4.99 per pound. Grape tomatoes, $2.48 for a pint. Thyme, $22.99 per pound. Sea salt, $1.99 a pound. Okay, so that's our baseline. Now let's shrink those numbers down to the actual amounts I use in one curry cauli bowl. Here's the cost per recipe. Riced cauliflower, 56 cents. Avocado, 62 cents. Grape tomatoes, 62 cents. Mixed peppers, red and green, 47 cents. Red onions, 9 cents. Cilantro, 10 cents. Jalapenos, 8 cents. Garlic, 4 cents. Extra virgin olive oil, 18 cents. Lemon, 37 cents. Curry powder, 6 cents. Smoked paprika, 3 cents. Thyme, about a penny. And sea salt, less than a penny. When you add it all up, to make this recipe, it costs about $3.23. But guess what, y'all? Guess what? This recipe makes at least 2 servings. I ate this one dish for 3 days straight, and it kept me full all day. So per serving, it's about $1.62. Let me tell you something right now. I have eaten at all the build a bowl spots, fast casuals, slow casuals. I have been there. And no shade, but you're not getting anything on those menus for $1.62. Maybe a bottle of water if you're lucky. This dish is so good and so filling, you will start asking why you have been missing out on eating this good all your life when it is so easy to do. Make it make sense. Make it make sense, y'all. You need this curry cauliflower bowl in your life. For a limited time, you can download the full recipe with step-by-step instructions. Just click the link in the description box before it's gone. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never run out of simple, feel-good, all-day recipes that keep you energized at work and beyond. Oh, one more thing. Yes, y'all, in this photo, you do see mushrooms in my curry cauli bowl. That's because I was improvising in my kitchen and decided to toss in some marinated garlic mushrooms I had made for another dish I filmed that day. For real, y'all, I literally lost my mind. The added flavor and texture made my taste buds and spirit do a praise dance. I'm telling you, it was that good. Just stay tuned and check back on my channel because I'll be sharing that marinated mushroom recipe soon. It will set off any bowl you make.